This movie is rated PG. Parental guidance is advised.
Yes, nurse. Move him to the theater room. Prepare him for surgery immediately. I'll be with you soon, nurse. Alright? Oh, there you are, Jerry. I'm so glad to have you here. I just got a call about a patient that was brought in now who needs emergency appendicitis surgery. However, this is Mrs. Phillips. He's in here on a regular antenatal examination. I've already taken her body temperature reading. Please, complete the rest of the examination for her while I be in the theater with the other patient.
Sure. Does she need any special care?
No, just the normal stuff. Madam, feel free with him. He's a gynecologist. And good luck.
Dr. Jerry Anderson.
Mrs. Phillips.
Pleasure is mine.
Same here. What, Dr. Jerry?
You'd have to come with me to my office.
Okay.
Okay, madam, I'll have to check your birth canal and the position of your baby.
The children's position. I'm carrying a set of twins.
Oh, wow! Congratulations then.
Thank you.
Oh, good. You'll have to get on the couch. No. That is my duty as a doctor to do that for you.
You will remove my pants for me?
Well, of course.
No doctor has ever done that to me before.
Well, madam, that is because you have never come across a well-seasoned, professional and empathic gynecologist like me. At this stage of your pregnancy, you're supposed to stop doing certain things like bending over to take off your underwears. No. That is my duty, alright? So you just relax and face up on this couch. Come on. There you go. Slowly. Got it. Ooh. I can hear them. Aren't you lucky? There we go. Just relax. Like that. Don't feel uncomfortable. It's very usual. Yes. Good. Okay. Oh, wow. Pink. Your husband must be luck on 2 feet.
Meaning what exactly?
Just relax, madam. You're absolutely beautiful young woman. You'll have to sit up. I'll have to do other examinations first. Come on. Sorry. It's quite tiring sometimes in a place like this. Slowly. Yeah. You have to come back a bit, madam, please. Yes, right there. You have to just relax, okay? Okay. So raise up one arm. There. See?
What are you doing, Dr. Jerry?
Well, my job, madam.
Your job? By caressing me like this?
Madam, I wasn't caressing you. I was looking for lumps.
examine me even before I got pregnant. And he has never done anything like this to me before.
Madam, Dr. Cyril is a surgeon and I am a gynecologist. An expert gynecologist. So my methods are bound to be different from his. And besides, what I'm doing is absolutely good for your health and the baby's. So would you mind if I continue, please?
I'm sorry, doctor. You will have to change your approach or I'll leave. I'm a married woman.
For God's sake, madam, will you leave me to do my job? You came here to see me. Okay, maybe you don't like the mechanical way. I'll have to have a totally different process, so just give me a few minutes. Just have a seat here, please. Have a seat, please. I'll be right back. Okay? Madam, you'll have to take these tablets as part of the examination.
Take these tablets? Are you not examining me?
Very uncomfortable with it in the mechanical way, so we'll have to go through a whole totally new different process to check if your babies are fine. And this is one of them. Here you go. You have to take all of them, so let me just cut them up in your palm. There. Water. There. Go. Drink more water, please. Yes. You'll be fine. Okay, now I'll just... Slowly, slowly. You don't want to head the twins. Just put your head down slowly. Breathe it. Like that. Yes. How are you feeling? There you go. Just relax and your babies will be out by the time you realize. Twins. I've always loved twins. How do you feel? There you go. The doctor is about to operate.
Dr. Jerry.
Doctor.
Uh-oh, madam.
Yes, doctor.
Are you still around?
Yes, doctor.
Oh yes, doctor. I gave her comprehensive examination when I realized she had a set of twins. How's the surgery?
The patient was in a bad shape. We have to stabilize him before I could operate on him. Otherwise, we could have lost him in the process.
Oh, it's a shame.
Dr. Cyril,
Yes.
please let me run along.
Say hello to your husband when you get home.
Alright, doctor.
Take care, madam. And I told you don't sleep on your back.
What?
What's wrong, doctor?
No, this couldn't be happening.
What is it?
He's having a severe heart attack. Nash! Nash! Dr. Jerry, I was a personal doctor to Mrs. Phillips ever before she got pregnant. Up until 2 days ago when I was forced to leave her in your care by an emergency. Her health was in good condition. And before I did that, I checked her blood pressure and it was normal. So, what I'm saying is this, that a severe heart attack that killed her immediately she left your examination room was very, very suspicious.
Doctor, are you accusing me?
I did not just suspect foul play in her death, but I also ordered an autopsy, and the findings were outrageous. Traces of very powerful coma-inducing drugs were found in her. Oh God, in overdose levels. Why? How could you have prescribed such a steroid to a pregnant woman whose expectant date is almost 4 days away? Why, Jerry? Why the overdose?
How dare you, Dr. Cyril? How dare you accuse me of such a devilish act? When your so-called findings were made, did you check to know if those drugs was a result of self-medication? Did you? Or are you ignorant of how rampant drug abuse is in our society?
Oh, she administered the drugs on herself, right? What was your sperm doing in her vagina? Huh? Sperm samples were found in her, and when the pathologists examined them, they matched yours. How could you? How could you stoop so low, Dr. Jerry? Why? How could you have done such a thing? No. Well, I am bound by honor and the law to report you to Nigerian Medical Association and the police for appropriate actions. But on a second thought, I want you to quit your job. I want you to leave this hospital now. I don't want to see a madman like you around me ever again.
Dr. Cyril, please.
I said get out.
Dr. Cyril.
Get out of my office before I change my mind and call the cops on you. Out. Out.
The meaning of this? And who is this charlatan disturbing the peace of my home with his silly blood? Who is he?
Chief, he's Pastor Adi. He's the spiritual director of Hosanna Rain Delivery Ministry. He's the pastor I thought I've consulted over my childlessness. He just told me that.
He told you that what? What did he tell you? Look, Ifama, most of these men of God you are seeing are just scavengers on the refuse heaps of people's problems and anxieties. If you give them the chance, they will always come up with one form of explanation or the other. If it's possible for them, they will lie to their clients.
Chief, I am led by the Holy Spirit to see and speak nothing but the truth to every soul that believes.
I hear you. But unfortunately for you, Mr. Pastor, my wife and I are not one of your gullible believers. Did you hear that? Nothing is wrong with us. It's just a matter of time and we will have children.
He is only here to help us in that regard, using the power of God.
Evans.
Yes, Chief.
Will you show this gold digger the way to the gate?
What?
Chief.
Pastor?
Chief, you can't do that.
You must follow me upstairs right now to the room.
It's okay, Sister Ifoma. Go with him, he's your husband.
How about that?
Madam, your husband was here a week ago to consult me, and he said that you've been married for 1.5 years and you haven't given in.
He was right.
He asked me to give you a thorough examination to see exactly what the problem is, because he is medically okay. Would you have a problem with that?
Oh.
No, you don't have to take your clothes off. I will examine you with it on because it's already short. Alright?
But doctor, I'd rather you examine me stark naked.
No, it won't be necessary. You're already in a short dress. I just need you to put one leg in and feel comfortable and rest on your back. Can we start, please?
Yeah.
Good. So put your back flat on the bed. One leg here, one leg here.
Doctor, would it affect your concentration if I'm stark naked? Doctor?
Yes?
Would it affect your concentration?
Of course not. It wouldn't.
Okay.
I do this every day. Just push forward a little.
Like this?
All the way.
Like this?
Yeah. Yeah, and then...
Okay.
Okay, good. I need you to relax as much as you can.
Okay.
Okay, and I'm going to start the examination. Oh. No underwear.
Doctor, I never wear underwear.
Yes. I'm going to explain to you exactly how I'm going to do it. I'm going to insert 2 fingers at first, and I'm going to move it to the left and to the right. If you feel any unusual pain, you let me know.
Okay.
So just relax. Here we go. Any pain, you let me know. Do you feel pain? Do you feel any pain, madam? Excuse me, madam. Excuse me. You would have to let me do my job the best way I can, please. Okay. One more time. Do you feel pain? For God's sake, madam, would you get a hold of yourself?
Jerry, no man touches me there without going to fallen.
What?
Come on, make love to me. Do the examination later.
No, madam, this is... No, madam,
make love to me now.
this is not part of the ethics of my profession. I can't do what I'm asking you to do now. It will be more than, you know. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh shit. Please have a seat, madam.
Thank you.
I'm afraid to let you know that the examination results are not too good.
I didn't expect it to. You see, Dr. Jerry, I had a complicated abortion while I was in school. And the doctor told me I can never get pregnant again.
So why are you hiding it from him?
Because I don't want to lose him. As the younger brother to the state governor, he's quite loaded, you know. Dr. Jerry, you know what I want you to do for me now? I want you to write a report indicating that him, not me, is responsible for our childlessness.
So, madam, that will be nearly impossible. He's going to find out sooner or later. And besides, I've already examined and certified that your husband is very well enough to have a child.
Then find another reason to examine him again with a different result. You can always explain the first one away as a professional error, can't you?
Madam, that is highly unethical and unprofessional.
Dr. Jerry, the sperms you released in me a few minutes ago are still inside me. And if you do not do what I want, I will not only tell my husband, but I'll also make sure you appear before a judge very soon to explain how and why you raped me in your clinic.
I did not rape you.
No one will believe you. And you know you cannot fight a sitting governor's family in a case like this.
Oh, come on, please don't do this.
Dr. Jerry, you have exactly 5 seconds to start writing reports the way I want it. 1.
There's another way of...
2.
Alright.
3.
We can make it...
4.
Okay, but hold on. Hold on.
What is in the oven?
A medical report I got from the best gynecologist in town early today. Chief, it shows that I'm healthy enough.
Listen. If I was so, after all I told you about consulting these people regarding our childlessness, you still went ahead to consult a gynecologist without my permission? And you had the guts to approach me to discuss it? How dare you?
You told the report.
And don't let me tear you. By standing there and opening your silly mouth, Informer, I will tear you.
Chief, you know what? You have just torn our marriage.
Meaning what?
Meaning that the game you have been playing with me since we got married over this issue is over. And you have just told me more than the world that you are impotent.
How dare you talk to me like this? Are you out of your mind?
I am your 4th wife in the past 18 years, Chief. And none of us were able to get pregnant for you. Am I wrong?
And that makes you believe that I am the problem, eh? Come, were you a virgin when I married you? How many times did you get pregnant for the different men you met before I saw you?
Look at you. Who do you think is the biological mother of Ebuka? Is not my mother's last child as you were told. He is my son. I had him while I was in secondary school. Where is our own child, Chief?
Jesus Christ! So you and your miserable family lied to me? And you've been here?
My lawyer will meet yours to work out our divorce.
And where do you think you're going?
Chief, you are right to know ended the moment you tore that paper.
Debbie, what are you doing here? You should have called at least before you came.
Honey, I should...
Don't call me honey, Debbie. I'm not your honey. I never was and I never will be. Debbie, I need you to get something straight. Now you listen to me and listen carefully again. I met you at my friend's wedding ceremony. I brought you home and asked you to have sex with me and you did. As far as I am concerned, that is where it ended.
You can't be serious. You asked me to be your girlfriend and that was why I allowed you to have sex with me. Why are you now sounding as if I am some sort of a prostitute that you picked and had sex with?
Now listen, I'm gonna make you understand the difference between a prostitute and a girl like you who sleeps around with men. Prostitutes take money after they are done, but girls like you are too naive to take your money after you render your services. Do you understand? You said I asked you to be my girlfriend before I brought you. Okay, well, I did. Good. Now I am kindly asking you not to be my girlfriend anymore. Is that okay?
Jerry, just like that. Is that what you're trying to tell me? Just like that?
Oh, there must be something more. Now listen, the only thing a man needs from a woman is sex. Alright? And with my kind of job, I don't like it.
So, are you trying to tell me that you sleep with your clients in the clinic or what?
Well, that is way beside the point. You have to go home now. And you be careful outside because it's dark and dangerous, alright?
You're asking me out of your house.
No, I'm not asking you. I'm asking to have a beautiful...
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
No.
I am Latunga, the loyal assistant of the Grand Master of the Cosmos. No one comes to me but to seek solution to his problems or quicken the pace of his destiny. Which of them have you come to me for, young man?
My great Lord Tuba, I am here to quicken the pace of my destiny. That's why I'm here.
In what fashion?
Great one. I want money. I need power and influence. Yes, power and influence. That's why I'm here.
Young man, what you need is money. The other two come naturally with money. But I have to warn you first that every gift of the Grand Master has a price. Can you pay the price of what you seek?
Great one, I am ready to pay any price to make money. Any price.
All right. All right. Then you have to make a sacrifice of milk.
Milk? I don't understand.
The breast that fed you. You are going to bring your mother here for a sacrifice.
Great one, I can't.
Alternatively, you can offer oil. A child less than 1 year old. When the sacrifice is offered, you will have all you seek.
Great one, I don't want to share blood too. You understand all these things. I don't want to.
Young man, I'm not yet through with you. If you offer your mother, then you can have your own children. But their mothers will die after delivery. If you offer a child, you will not have a child of your own. The choice is yours.
Lord Tunga, I'm sorry, I can't. I can't.
Young man, you have till 12 noon tomorrow to comply. Otherwise, you run mad and remain so for the rest of your life.
God forbid. God forbid, Lord Tunga. See, Great one, please. Is there nothing you can do to...
Young man, 12 noon tomorrow. Go.
I should go.
Go! Take.
Great one.
Kill the child. Stab the child to death.
Great one, me? Lord Tunga,
the sacrifice is about your destiny. And only you can determine it. Kill the child. And all the money you seek shall be yours.
Great one, I have never shed human blood before. Not to talk of killing a child. Please, Great one, do try and...
Young man, it is 2 minutes to 12 noon. Kill the child now.
Okay, I should kill the child.
No, God, no. No. This is no longer acceptable. I have been humiliated enough now over this childlessness issue. I have. With this latest divorce, it's only a matter of time before people get to know the whole truth. And all hell will let loose on me. And I'll be finally disgraced. All the so-called wealth that Lord Tunga has given to me will become totally useless to me. Now, I must do something to prevent such. I must. Yes, I must. Lord Tunga, just look at it. Today, I am a multi-millionaire without happiness. People are laughing at me. Who will inherit the wealth you have given to me if I die without children of my own? Who?
A man is deemed to have desired the natural consequences of his actions. The consequences of your choice were made clear to you from the beginning, and you chose it yourself.
Lord Tuga, see, that woman and her 3 other remaining children are totally aliens to poverty now. She was a poor, wretched widow when I used that her child. And after that, I established a charitable organization through which I traced her and her family. And today, I have bettered their lives. Look at that.
And ever since then, you have been sleeping with her and with her only daughter that got married 3 months ago. What a charitable man indeed you are. There is only one way out.
What way out? What way?
You can only have children through another man and with a woman who will have to live with you without ever formally being married to you. Should you at a point try to formalize your marriage with the lady, you will die after 7 days.
Why, Lord Tunga, why? Why must the children be products of another man instead of mine?
Because the day you kill that child to make money, you equally killed all the reproductive sperm cells you could ever produce. What you ejaculate during sex is just thick water. My dear, what you got is the very best you can ever ask of in your situation. Come to think of it, how many men out there can claim to be the true biological father of all the children in their houses? Use your brain to get all the children you want.
So, there is no other way out?
Absolutely none.
Yeah, come in. Jesus, Mary, Joseph. Were you there when Da Vinci drew the Mona Lisa?
Oh, sorry, I don't get to you.
You make that artistic icon of so many generations seem so ordinary with your beauty. Your husband must be a walking good luck to have a woman like you.
You know, Doctor, you're a very funny man. Anyways, thanks for the compliment. Doctor, I am having what I suspect to be early symptoms of pregnancy for the past 3 days, and my husband asked me to come and... Doctor?
Yes, I have just the basics of what you need. I know exactly what is wrong with you, and where's my stethoscope? Just follow me to the room. I'll give you a thorough check. You'll have to drop that here.
Oh, okay.
As you say, come with me.
Don't worry, I'll see you.
Yes, of course. Beautiful color and image you have there. Okay, now just relax and you can lie back now. Okay, one leg here, the other one up. Yes. Now, if you feel any pain whatsoever, you let me know, okay?
Doctor, stop. What are you doing?
Madam, I'm examining you.
By ramming your finger in and out of my vagina.
Well, that is the way I'm supposed to do it.
Is your finger a medical equipment?
Excuse me? You're not supposed to be rude. I'm doing my job, madam. Will you give me the chance to, please?
No.
Okay, if you are uncomfortable with it, let me check your nipples.
What?
Your nipples. Lie back.
Oh, no, doctor, no.
Madam, I need to check your nipples. Are you going to give me the chance to or not?
Are you supposed to?
I am doing my job, and that's what I'm supposed to do next.
Oh.
If you're uncomfortable, I have to check your nipples. You have to lie back, please. Come on. It's very normal to feel uneasy, okay? You're not the first.
Wait.
Madam, if there is no trust, I can't check to see what the problem is, okay?
Okay.
This is my job. I always do this. I need to check your nipples. Can I now put my hands inside your bra? Good.
Stop! What are you doing? Oh my God. Doctor, I guess I'd have to take my leave.
Yes, you will have to take your leave now, and it's too early to check exactly what is wrong with you, so you will have to come back next week for another examination, okay? I'll be in my office. You'll have to come by so I can write your report.
Please go. I need to wear my pants.
That's a beautiful color of underwear you have right there. I'll see you in my office.
You know, when she told me everything I felt for her, sincerely, but I gave her my words that I would
talk to me and draw me back into her life, right? Forcefully.
Jerry, please. Please, my friend, what has come over you? This isn't Jerry that is my pal and, classmate in school.
Things don't last forever. Things change. I have changed.
Are you trying to tell me what you've been having with ladies for the past 2 years has changed? Do you know how many failed relationships you've been into since then?
Why are you getting worked up on this? What?
Get married. That's my problem.
What has my refusal to be with Debbie or being never got to do with marriage?
Everything. Come on, man. Get one woman. Build up a relationship with her. Look at the bright side. And then you can get into marriage with her. If she agrees.
Stick with one woman. Can't be going to married times. What I've been trying to do for the past 2 years now, with all the ladies I've been with, Debbie included. Now, how is it my fault that all the attempts I've made in that regard failed? Tell me, is it everything you got yourself involved in since you were born that you succeeded in? You've been dating for how long? 4 years? 5 years? How long now? 4 or 5 years? 4 or 5 years now you've been dating. Why aren't you married to her? Why aren't you married to the 5 years of dating to the same girl? Why? Tell me why. Now you take the plank out of your eye before you look at the speck in my eye. How do you say? One of them. We are birds of the same feathers and we're going to flock together. Now until you get married, you don't tell me to get married. I don't even know why you were talking about marriage when you want to marry.
You better stop turning this into a joke. Because I'm very serious here. You understand? And for your information, I'm getting married to the very lady you just referred to. The moment she finishes her master's degree program later this year. So, you call Debbie. And
how many cases did you say you have in court tomorrow? 2 cases? No, you have to go now. Turn the TV off. And here we go. You have won how many? 8 straight convictions. What a number. You can't lose one tomorrow, man.
My friend Jerry, send me out of his house.
No, come on, of course not. How can I send you out of my house? You're my brother, man. I can never send you out of my house. Whoa. I was very tired today at work and
don't have any problem. I'm fine.
You don't have any problem? Oh, come on. Honey,
I have known you for over 6 years now, and I can tell when you are bothered and when you're not. So tell me, what is the problem?
I don't want to go back to Dr. Jerry's clinic.
Why? Honey, several people recommended that guy to me as the best gynecologist in town before I sent you to him. And I did that because I want you to get the best medical care. So...
I don't like him. I just don't trust that man. I don't know.
Oh, calm down, honey, calm down. Listen, like and trust are not important here. What is important is that you get the best medical care from the best hand. And the best hand in this case happens to be Dr. Jerry. So, allow him to be a gynecologist.
Sweetie, you don't understand.
Oh, baby. Let's not argue over this. Okay? I know what you want. I know what you want. I know what you want. I know.
Oh, stop. Nayokoro. 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 Nayokoro.
Uncle, who is that?
Nayokoro.
Adeze, what is it?
Nayokoro, calamity has befallen us. We are homeless.
What exactly are you saying? What happened to your house?
Nayokoro, my daughter was reading with a short candle. She slept off. The house caught fire. It was a miracle that we escaped. We lost everything. Please help us, please.
Help you? How do I help you?
We need shelter. Even if you can stay only a night in your place.
Definitely. Not in this house. You see, I would have accommodated you as my late brother's wife. But I can't risk your witch of a daughter burning down my own house as well.
Uncle, I'm not a witch.
Shut up! Do you think you can deceive me?
Nayokoro, you are my late husband's brother. You can't abandon these children and I in this situation. Nayokoro, you know I'm the only surviving child of my parents. I'm an orphan. If you abandon us now, where do you want us to go? Please, I beg.
Look, don't kneel down for me, Adeze. You know very well that family ties has nothing to do with this. There's no way I can see fire. I close my eyes and put my hands in it.
Uncle.
So I can't help you.
Uncle, please, let us just stay here for only this night, Uncle. I promise you by tomorrow.
Not in this house.
Uncle, please. Good night. Uncle, please. Uncle, I'm your brother's son, Uncle. Uncle, please, now, Uncle. No, it's okay, let's go.
Please, I beg you, my children. My children.
Serena, let's go now. Serena. It's okay, let's go.
Just take this so you can get relaxed before I start examining you. There. Yes, here you go. Good. Little water. Just a little more water. Yes. So now you can take your underwears off once I start.
I should take off my pants?
Yeah, your underwears, take them off. Okay. Lie down now. Let me, hold on, let me just help you here. Okay. Yeah, don't fight it. Don't fight your feeling. Just relax and let it take over you, okay? It's the effect of the drug. It kills you with kindness. How are you feeling? Now let me see how beautiful you are inside. Knock, knock. Knock, knock. Who's there? It's me, Mr. Dickey. Open up. Now the doctor is about to operate. Come here, beauty. Oh, yes. Now, let's see how far I can go. See how the depth is. Come closer. Make it easier for myself. Oh my God. Yes. Boy, you are so tight. Best.
What did you do to me while I was unconscious in your examination room?
Oh, sit down, please. I did exactly what I was supposed to do. Why are you asking?
I asked you to check and confirm if I'm pregnant. I can't remember asking you to put me to sleep.
No, I didn't put you to sleep.
God, how did I even lose consciousness?
Oh, I was about to ask you the same question. You know, it's a normal thing sometimes. I tried to keep you awake, but you kept dozing off and gradually you drifted away. Have you been deprived of sleep lately? Any insomnia experiences?
Dr. Jerry, I woke up and I felt wet in my womanhood. I put my finger and I felt
sticky substance. Yes, that is part of all my...
Did you drug me so you'd rape me?
Excuse me, madam. Madam, you were a bit disoriented about this whole thing, okay? Just sit down and relax. Let me explain to you. Don't feel unusual. What I injected inside of you was part of my medication in examining you. You needed it, okay? I don't need you to say outrageous things like this. I'm a professional and I believe in what I do. Okay? I need you to trust me.
Dr. Jerry, what did you say? The medicine you injected?
Madam, this is your result. Congratulations. You are pregnant. Congratulations.
This widow and her children like that?
Chief, sir, we are acting under the instruction of the elders in council.
Yes! Elders in council?
Yes. They instructed us to throw these people out of this place. This is a civic center. It belongs to the community. And they have turned it to their personal homes since 6 days now. Yes. Yes, we are asked to lock up this place and throw them out.
Chief, please, I beg you in the name of God. I lost my husband barely 3 months ago. And we accidentally lost our house. It's my husband's land. If they pursue us out of here, Chief, me and my children will die in the open. Please, Chief, I beg. Beg, this is my husband's land.
Are you not a bearer's wife?
Yes, I am. And my children.
And you have been living in this place for 6 days now with your children?
Yes, Chief.
God. Is Okoro, your husband's elder brother, not aware?
He rejected us. He asked us to go.
God. People can be wicked. So even Okoro, as a member of the elders council, can allow them to throw you out of here? Is she your biological daughter?
Yes, my first child.
I see. Maria, how old are you?
22, sir.
22. All right, okay. There's no problem. Boys, you can go home, okay? You can go home. I will take care of that. I'm taking them to my house.
We don't have problem with that, sir.
I'll take them to my house.
As long as they won't go back in here.
I'll take them to my house.
Yes. It's okay, boys. Let's go.
Lock up the place,
madam, come.
To your house?
Come. Yes, my house.
Thank you. My husband's house.
My boys' quarter is free for you. You can manage there for the time. Come. Let's go. It's okay. Let's go.
could you be here and this is happening?
Oh, I forgot.
You forgot? And you were still right inside this kitchen. Don't give me that.
I'm sorry. Baby, I'm coming, okay? I'm coming.
What? Are you alright?
Will you begin to explain to me in plain language what you did to me while I was unconscious in your clinic?
I don't understand.
What don't you understand? That you drugged and raped me, somebody's wife and your client? Is that what you don't understand?
Excuse me?
You know, I may be unconscious while you were raping me, but I am not stupid enough to believe the bullshit you told me when I confronted you this morning.
Are you here to harass me?
Dr. Jerry, I love my husband so much, and I took the oath of fidelity with him in the altar of God, and since then no man has ever slept with me. I've not had peace. My mind has not been at rest since I left your clinic, and I won't find that until you tell me the truth about what you did to me. What did you do to me?
Madam, you are entitled to your own feelings and everyone else is. But in this particular case, you are getting it all wrong. What you are talking about is against the fundamental ethics of my job. And I am a core professional.
Dr. Jerry, if what I am suspecting is true,
should I take it that you're coming in here to threaten me? I can take you to the police. Do you know that?
Chief, you called us.
Yes, please do sit down. Sit down.
Thank you very much, Chief.
What? Yes, I just came back from a nearby city where I went to buy some clothes for you people. Yes.
Thank you.
Oh, get up. You have not even seen the clothes. Evans!
Yes, Chief.
Now come, bring those bags.
All right, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Share it to them accordingly.
All right, madam. Yes, Sarah. It's for you, Jim. Yes.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Chief.
You're welcome. Adeze, yours are very few, because of the condition you are, and the moment you are out of it, I will definitely get you more.
It's okay, Chief. This is more than enough. Please, I can't thank you enough. Thank you so much.
It's all right. It's okay. Serena, please, you get back to your room, drop yours, and then you come back to help me clean my room, eh? It is very dusty.
Okay, so, Chief, please, if you don't mind, she can go and clean it now. I'll carry her back to the room.
Okay. All right then. All right.
Thank you very much, Chief.
You're welcome.
thank you, sir.
Eva.
Yes, Chief.
Now show her the room, okay?
Serena, this way.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Tomorrow's unfolding, revealing intentions of man, the mind beholding, the evil that lurks in the dark. Mankind is wicked.
Sir, I didn't know you were here, sir.
No problem. I have been here for a while, drinking in your spotless beauty. Go ahead.
Making me want to cry, but justice is waiting. Wipe my tears, bring me joy, and make me laugh again. Cry in a river, land and sea. My anger grows deeper. No rest for the weekend.
Can you help me scratch his mouth? Please help me. Please come on. I am the one that asking you to do it. Just scratch it. This side. The thing is itching me so much. Go on. Please scratch it. Just scratch it. Place your hand this side.
Oh, please, sir. Sir, no, sir.
Say now, look, listen, you are such a beautiful girl. Listen, I must confess that you swept my feet off the moment I set my eyes on you. Now listen, make love to me. And I promise I'll make you the envy of every other girl in this village.
No, sir.
Just a little.
No, Chief, please, sir.
Come on, Selena.
No, sir. Please, sir. Go, sir.
Selena.
Chief, my daughter ran to me in tears, complaining that...
And what did you say to her? What did you tell her?
Chief, for Christ's sake, she's my daughter. It is true you've been of great help to us for the past 4 days, but this is something I cannot...
Look, Adese, I do not only want to have sex with your daughter, I also want to marry her.
Marry her?
Yes.
Chief, my daughter is too young for that.
Adese, that she's too young for that. At 22. Listen, at 22, some of her mates are already in their husbands' houses running things. Listen, I sent away my last wife, and if I have found a replacement in your daughter, what is bad about it?
Chief, my daughter have a wish. She said she wouldn't like to get married until she has gotten her first degree. At least we have to respect that now.
Good. That's a very good ambition. But tell me, who foots the bill of her education? Okay, now go back to her. Tell her that I am willing to sponsor her education to any level she wants to attend. Okay. Not only that, I will also send your son to school. And I will build a house for you in this village. I will set up a very lucrative business for you. Just let her say yes, and I will start off.
Chief, even if she says yes, wouldn't you at least go and meet our kinsmen before asking her to sleep with you?
Say, convince her to say yes first. That is the beginning now. That is the beginning. That's it.
Good evening, sir.
Oh, my pretty. This cloth looked so great on you.
Thank you, sir. Actually, sir, my mother told me what you told her to tell me. That's why I'm here.
Okay, I know you will not turn such a beautiful offer down. You know what you do? Just go ahead and wait for me in my bedroom, okay? I'll join you later. I'll join you later. Are you still here?
Yes, sir.
What?
Actually, sir, I came to tell you that I can't do what you want. And I'm sorry.
Selena, you sure need to be sorry for yourself and your family. Because your decision is a very bad one. A disaster for you people.
I'm sorry, sir. That's waste. God, please, please help me.
Baby, are you there? Baby. Sweetie. Why are you sitting down here all alone? And you're crying?
I had a terrible nightmare.
A nightmare? About what?
I don't want to.
Oh, it's alright. It's alright. You don't want to talk about it now, right? It's okay. It's okay, I understand. Alright. But it's alright, it's okay. Try your tips, listen. The next time something like this happens, wake me up. Right? I'm not just your husband, I'm also your friend and companion. Trust. I love you. That's okay. I love you.
Who is that?
It is me, Chief Walter. Open the door right now.
Chief.
It's okay. Did you hear me?
Yes, Chief, I'm coming. Chief, this is 1 a.m.
Meaning what? Is there any time too late for me to enter into any room in my compound?
No, Chief.
Okay. Now, did your daughter Serena tell you what she came to my end to tell me around 8 p.m.? Did she? Okay. And after that, all of you just went to bed, sleeping soundly in my own house.
Chief, this is an issue in which the final decision is my daughter's.
Oh, good. And she has taken that decision. Well, unfortunately, people, that your daughter's decision is unacceptable to me. And for that, all of you are leaving my house this moment.
Chief, you can't do that now. Where do you want us to go at this odd hour of the night?
How is that supposed to be my problem? Now listen, you will wear those clothes you wore the day you came here and leave every other thing I bought for you behind. And you have 2 minutes, just 2 minutes to do that. Else, my security man and Evans will throw all of you out by force.
Chief, please now. Chief.
Let me not repeat myself.
Chief, please now. Chief.